Hello, this is Emma from Zhejiang Shanghai International Sales Department. Welcome to our Shanghai channel. Today I would like to introduce our new arrival items. It's Coversation sofa set. As we can see, it has 2 pieces armchair and 1 piece is love seat and 2 pieces coffee table in here. So first we can look at the armchair, and the material of the tube is aluminum, so the weight is very light. We can move it very easily. And for the fabric, it's spun pillow fabric. It's waterproof, and it can pass the UV test also. And for the foot tube, it's from heat transfer. So it really has a good look. The armchair is for only 1 person to sit. Yeah, like this. And here is the 3-seat sofa. Yeah, we can totally lie down. Yeah, we can see. Let me try. Just like this, we can use it as a little bed. And we also can sit here with your friends, with your family, with your children. It's a very soft and comfortable sofa. And we use the loop style and cover the tube. It's very fashion style.